Well, we're back on the Flying Can Ranch. I've got it all loaded up. I have a CO2. I've got just a tad of leaking going on, but it shouldn't affect this. Let's set this down and see if you can. There we go. See targets? Let's go out the spot. Hold on. Let's just some of these and let's see what happens. Shake this up a little bit. We'll see if I can reach the result there. There we go. Hold that stock up. Let's see if I can do it this one. Shake it up there, good. think the CO2 is starting to get. Oh yeah, we're done. Supposed to, hold on 1 second. Okay. One thing I forgot to mention is this is supposed to get around 80 shots, but you know, about that fourth refill, it was getting pretty low, so figure 20, 20, 60. Oh, we were close. Some of these were hitting the can, someone in it. Definitely came out the other side. Quite well. Let me turn around so you can see it. So, whoops, where you at here? There you are. He came in pretty good. Chopped this guy. I've got a big hole in this one, and it was ripping right through it. As you can tell, the middle can, it was just denting it. Like I said, much cooler weather, and we gotta bounce this guy around a little bit. Came out the other side. So that's it. So, again, I had a little, excuse me, I had a little leakage with that CO2, where I didn't with the first one I tried, and I really had to crank him on there. So, one thing I forgot to mention, on the back side of this, there's some stippling, you know, right there on the back. There's a little bit around here, place here where you hold it. But, to me, that was a rare find. I'd be led to believe, let me straighten this up a little bit. For the collector, the guy that doesn't have anything like this, is certainly worth looking into. So, I'm going to say I'm happy with it. It performed a little better yesterday. We were a lot warmer yesterday too, though. You know, I could have gotten a bike out yesterday. Did I take a bike out yesterday? Let me think about it. No, I don't think I did. But at any rate, I think I'll get one out tomorrow. So, but they don't pop up everywhere, and you might have to do a little rebuilding with it or find someone who knows how to fix it for you. But there you go, the Crosman Z77 BB pistol rifle. And that's how we do it at the Flying Can Ranch. We will catch you later.